So I think Daisy's feeling better. You feeling better, Daisy? Yeah, you're active again. What do you think Edie Bird thinks about you in her box? You were just waiting for Edie Bird to go, and now you're gonna take over her little box, huh? Oh, that looks like a lot of fun. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Oh my God. So, look at what Edie Bird did. I don't know if I could fix that. Holy crap. So this she did the other day, and this is new. So this is why Edie Bird Edie Bird is just gonna have to stay in the bird room over there. Poor girl. Daisy, I hope that you're not as destructive. And you can just destruct the things meant for destruction. And toys and the like. So, I don't know. I was planning on replacing the floor anyway, but that is right in the middle. Ugh. Edie Bird. Edie Bird. Oh no, what am I gonna do? The joy of owning birds. Anyway, back to Daisy. It's really exciting that Daisy's finally feeling better. This is the first day that I've seen a lot of activity with her, so this is good. I'll keep my door open so I can check and make sure she doesn't destroy the house too. But look at all that energy you got. So how long did it take to clear this infection? Oh, a couple months, I think. Anyway, Daisy's feeling better. Yay for Daisy.